It's Friday, the 19th of November, and we're still at the IPPC, having a great time. Today's Rapture Realities reminds me once again why everybody must get their hands on a copy of Rapture Realities. It's one thing to hear the message preached to you, to hear the gospel preached to you. It's one thing to go to church or be religious. It's another thing to have spiritual understanding. Spiritual understanding is so important. When you think about it, people killed Jesus and thought that they were doing God a service. The reason was because they were in darkness and the word of God was not in them. Study today's Rapture Realities and discover the importance of spiritual understanding. And even as you're studying, your understanding will be enlightened. I want you to join me today. Become a sponsor of Rhapsody Realities. Use the link on the comment section in this video and become a sponsor today. Have a great day. Love you. God bless you.